We were flown in a Twin Otter aircraft from Resolute Bay that we'd chartered especially for this project, through Cape Isaacson, where there is a small weather station abandoned. We refueled there and then set off several hundred miles out to sea, north of the Canadian coast, out of the Arctic Ocean sea ice. We are finding at the moment that it is highly mobile. We've drifted about 10 miles in 2 days, just with the ice moving across the surface of the water, and it's now broken up dramatically all around us. So maybe that characterises this area. We shall find out as we go on. We're feeling good. We're making good progress. The big development today is that at about 3 o'clock in the morning, it's now 5:30 in the morning, our time, we had to strike camp because of the ice breaking up all around us, and it's a bit like a giant combine harvester just sort of crunching the ice coming towards the tent, and we thought we'd get away with it for the night, but actually at 3 o'clock in the morning, it's having stopped at about midnight, it started up again, and we woke to an enormous sort of judder going through the ice underneath our tent, and then we knew it was time to move. So it is alarming. It's very unpleasant changing the whole tent position, basically having to pack everything up in a hurry in these very cold temperatures. I think it's highly likely that we will have to use our immersion suits tomorrow. We are surrounded pretty much by water. We can see with our head torches that there's dark sort of flashes in the ice all around us. There's been a massive breakup. We're very well prepared. We have an excellent sort of sleeping bag system that involves, quite apart from wearing two layers of clothing within the bags, we then have 3 sleeping bag layers and 2 sort of sleeping pads beneath us, and we're reasonably warm once in the bags. I mean, we are prepared for encounters with polar bears, and the more open water there is, the more seals can survive out here, and therefore the more possibility of polar bears that feed on the seals. No one's travelled in this region really ever before on the surface for any distance.